Full name.
I'm Angeline and
Nickname.
nickname
Slum note to ah. Address.
address number 98 Barangay Colomar, Bulangel City.
Beside Marky.
Beside Mark.
So, cellphone number.
0915928692.
Email address.
Angeline Rohel@yahoo.com.
Hobby.
Hobby.
And interest.
Singing. Singing. Interest.
Singing lang. Mamaya yun. Motto in life.
Motto in life. Para saan pa ang buhay kung wala naman si Arian dito?
Sa ulo ka. Pangwawawi ba to? Ano pa kaya? Dali lang. Isip. Favorite food.
Favorite food? Alat.
Anong kalat?
Marami.
Hindi.
M2M.
Ay? Pa talaga ako sa note, no? Dali, dapat script.